Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PORT3 network token. Ticker symbol is PORT3. Now this token is getting a bunch of central exchange listings, a bunch of brand new listings here. We're going to go over the information on the PORT3 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. PORT3. So the PORT3 network token, ticker symbol is PORT3. It says, we're thrilled to announce the launch of the PORT3 Network Governance Token, ticker symbol PORT3, and its public release on Bounce, WePad, Btc, and Pools Finance. So PORT3 is the native governance token of the PORT3 network. As a pivotal element within the PORT3 ecosystem, the token empowers users to actively participate in decision-making processes that shape the project's trajectory and evolution. The introduction of the PORT3 token marks a significant milestone in PORT3's network's commitment to fostering a vibrant and engaged community. By aligning incentives and encouraging active participation, PORT3 network aims to create a dynamic ecosystem where users are not only stakeholders, but also contributors to the success of the platform. Now, there is a 1 billion token total supply. There's also, you can find the contract address on their page. We're going to go over that in a second. Now, this is on the Ethereum blockchain. It's an ERC20 token. So the utilities of the PORT3 token, it says proposing and voting on community decisions, staking to receive platform dividend earnings, staking token for PORT3 network L2 nodes. It's also a gas token for the PORT3 network L2, payment token for the social data layer, payment token for BQL running credit, and payment token for SoQuest credit purchases. Now, how the token is allocated, so the token metrics go like this. So, like I said, 1 billion total supply, where 10% goes to the treasury, 36% ecosystem, 21% private sale, 1% public sale, 20% team, 7% airdrop, and 5% marketing. So they have, it says here, public sale, January 7th. They're going to be on Btc, Pools Finance, WePad, and Bounce. Now, it says IDO, that's the IDO there. So their initial DEX offerings is going to be on those network or those exchanges there. So PORT3 network at a glance, it says PORT3 network is building a full suite of products to aggregate and standardize off-chain and on-chain data to build a universally accessible and powerful social data layer that can be widely applied to various dApps. So the main products on PORT3's network that are completed so far are SoQuest and BQL. SoQuest is a task platform with a total of 2 million users, 4,000 plus projects, and a DAU of over 50K. SoQuest is combined with our DAO Tools bot to provide a stable and authentic data source for the social data layer, covering 11.5 million and 7.9 million users across Discord and Telegram communities, respectively. This allows PORT3 to segment and analyze our user profiles accordingly. BQL is a natural language processed on-chain workflow executor. Users can perform complex on-chain interactions with just one click. Even instructions edited in natural language can be compiled into standard paradigms of on-chain workflows and can be executed by EVM-compatible contracts and inscriptions on BRC20 protocols. Our BQL mining program has a total trading volume of over 800 million USD. So, tons of cool stuff involved in this project here. Now, they have a full roadmap too that you can check out on their document section. So basically how you find all the info on this project if you're looking for it. First of all, you can go to port3.io. If you go over there, that's their webpage. It's going to have tons of info. It also has a document section linked on there. You can contact them. There's a contact us button. There's a link to their Discord, their Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there as usual so you guys can find this project. Now their Twitter is going to have tons of listing announcements here. We're going to get to that in a second because the ones I named are just for the IDO, but they're getting a bunch of central exchange listings. So Twitter is at PORT3 Network. Check it out there. And they have an application on their webpage. You can launch that. Now at the bottom of their webpage, they have a link to SoQuest, and you can check out SoQuest's webpage at soquest.xyz. They have a GitHub, Docs, Medium articles, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, announcement channel, privacy, and terms. So you can check all that out. Now, SoQuest has tons of links on their page as well to, OpenSea NFT collection, all sorts of things on there. So go check out SoQuest. And yeah, on their Twitter, right there in the corner of the screen there, Port3's Twitter, you can see they have links to SoQuest stuff as well. Now their Twitter, you can see very well established project, 307,000 Twitter followers, doing very well. Almost 3,000 tweets, blue verified checkmark. Now, if you scroll down, it showed their pinned tweet there on their Twitter has the contract address on Ethereum, but then it has the public sale announcements there for WePad, Bounce, Fly, BTC, and Pools Finance. Now, if you scroll down some more, it's going to show that they have central exchange listings coming. So the first one you'll see is Gate. Now, Gate is also doing an airdrop event, initial free offering. You can check that out there. But their token listing for Gate happens, let's see here. So scroll down on here. It should tell you trading opens January 8th at 8 a.m. on Gate. So you could download Gate, or if you have an account, just fund your account with USDT. January 8th, you can get this token off of Gate. Now, besides that, they also have, let's see here, if you keep scrolling down, right under the Gate listing announcement, the same day, it's going to be listed on Bybit, Kucoin, and Coinex Global. So they're getting tons of central exchange listings on January 8th. Also Bybit, it says as well. There's another one all over the place. Bybit, Kucoin, and Coinex Global. Coinex Global is an amazing central exchange, and I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Check out all the referral codes down there. Check out Port3. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about Port3 Network and SoQuest. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.